Hey everyone, Gil at GrayManPrepping. In this episode of Your Prep for today, I'm going to cover allergy medications. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click the notification subscribe button down below here and then ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these informative videos I'm putting out for you. Alrighty, so allergy medications. Some of you are going to go, I don't have allergies. Hang on, guys. I need to talk to you specially. But if you do have allergies already and you know you have allergies, you want to get allergy medications to make sure you have a good supply that's going to last you for a while. In case, for some reason, the supplies in the store dry up for a little bit and you don't have allergy meds, you're going to be hurting. Now, for those of you who say, I don't have allergies, well, welcome to my club. I used to not have allergies. Everyone else in my family had allergies. I never had allergies until a couple of years ago, and they started getting a little worse. And when I came back from California here through all that smoke, and I got here, the allergies and stuff just hit me. I don't know what it was, but I was getting like vertigo and everything else because the inner ears were all getting all screwed up from the allergy stuff backing up and everything. And it took me 2 days to get over it. Fortunately, my wife had left a lot of her allergy medications here, so I had stuff to take. So make sure you have allergy medication because even though you may not have them now, you may have allergies next year. All right? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most of all, stay prepared. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.